Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for real estate. If you're a real estate professional looking to stay organized, manage tasks more effectively, and keep track of all your projects in one place, Trello is the perfect tool. It's simple to use, customizable, and it can make your daily workflow so much smoother. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. If you already have an account, you can log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or simply your email and password. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. If you're new, signing up is quick and free, so you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Trello page. From here, you'll want to head over to your workspace and locate the boards option. Boards are at the heart of Trello. They act like digital bulletin boards where you can organize everything from leads and listings to client follow-ups and closing tasks. Now let's create a new board. Click on Create a New Board and give it a name that makes sense, like real estate projects or property listings. Think of this as your blank canvas for managing your work. If you'd like to save time, Trello also offers a variety of templates. Click on Start with a template, and then use the search bar to look for real estate. You'll find pre-built templates designed specifically for the real estate industry with lists and cards already set up to help you organize clients, properties, and tasks. Choose a template you like and click Use Template to get started. From there, you can customize everything to fit your needs. Each property or client can be added as a card, and you can attach files, set due dates, and even assign tasks if you're working with a team. And that's it. You've just set up Trello for real estate. Now you can track every detail of your projects, stay on top of follow-ups, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. It's a powerful yet simple way to stay organized in a fast-moving industry. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with Trello and makes your real estate workflow more efficient. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, guides, and productivity hacks.